So password managers. These are applications that can generate, store, retrieve, and manage all of your passwords across the entire internet. It stores your passwords in a secure database which are protected against, cyber attacks, unauthorized entries, people trying to take your passwords. It also helps you to remember your passwords. And this way you can have different passwords for everything, which is recommended for security, without worrying that you're going to forget those passwords. So they're recommended because of their convenience and security. Like I said, most people use repetitive passwords, which is very risky because that means if they get into one of your accounts, they might be able to get into all of your accounts. Password managers generate long passwords, completely random strings of numbers, letters, uppercase and lowercase, symbols, all the things that make it more difficult for the bots that try to guess your password, or just people guessing passwords knowing you. These are very safe. It's even safer than keeping all your passwords in a physical book, because they are stored in an encrypted server, and they use lots of features to prevent people from accessing the manager itself, such as some of them use two-factor authentication, automatic logout, strong generated passwords, and so on. It is much safer to use a password manager than to try to remember all of your passwords, or to just use the same password. Some password managers are free, some are paid. I'm going to go through a bunch, most of which have free versions that are fairly limited in how usable they are, but there are also completely free options. So Dashlane is one password manager. Its free version allows you to use up to 50 passwords, but only on one device. And it comes with a 1 month free trial of premium. Their premium is a one-time $60 purchase, which comes with, fully unlocked as many passwords and devices as you need and use, as well as a VPN, which is a virtual private network, which adds an additional layer of security to your web browsing, particularly on public Wi-Fi networks where there might be, say, the owner of the network might have malicious intentions and might try to steal your data. The VPN protects that. And there are also other protections. If you're interested, you can look on their website and just Google Dashlane. TrueKey is another password manager. It has a free version that has only 15 passwords, but across all your devices. And its premium is $20 a year. It is unlimited passwords, unlimited devices. And McAfee, the web security company that owns TrueKey, does have protection plans that include antivirus and other security software bundled with TrueKey. If you are also looking for an antivirus, this might save you some money to pay for them in a bundle. Kaspersky, or Kaspersky, I'm not sure how it's pronounced, is, again, a password manager. It has the same free version as the previous one, 15 passwords across unlimited devices. Its premium is slightly cheaper at $15 a year. And this one is notable that it is easier to set up and synchronize. And it is also owned by an antivirus company. Remember has a free version with unlimited passwords, but only on one device. So you can't, like the first one, you can't synchronize it across your devices. With the free version, you can only have it on your one device. This one has a slightly better free version because if all you're using is your computer, then you only need the free version. Its premium version is $36 a year, which allows you to synchronize your passwords across all your devices and gives you priority in their customer service. If you commit to more years, the price goes down. So if you're confident that you are going to use this for 3 years, then it becomes only $21 a year. LastPass is, I would say, the most commonly used of the paid password managers. It has a free plan, which gives you a few devices, its password generator, and unlimited passwords. Its premium is $36 a year, which gives you, again, multiple devices, the password generator, and unlimited passwords, as well as a gigabyte of encrypted file storage. This allows you to store your files online, important things such as passports, social security card, other important documents can be uploaded there, and you don't have to worry that someone will get into them. It's basically a virtual safe. And they also have a family plan, which 6 users, if everyone wants and will use it, comes out to significantly cheaper. 1Password does not have a free version, but it does have a 30-day trial. It's $36 a year. It gives a lot of the same features as LastPass, and it also has a travel mode where it basically locks down your device while you're abroad. And it also has a family plan, 5 users. And you can also recover accounts across the different people accessing the family plan. So deciding whether you want a paid or a free password manager, you have to consider, do you have a lot of passwords? Do you use more devices than the free version supports? Do you want or need extra protection, such as antivirus or VPN? And is the price worth it? Those are all factors to weigh when you're deciding whether you want a paid or a free one. The simplest ones are LastPass and 1Password. 1Password does not have a free version, though. LastPass does. Dashlane has the most features if you want something a little more advanced. And TrueKey and kaspersky can be bundled with an antivirus software. LastPass is recommended. It's the best of the free ones. Its free version was incredibly extensive, unlimited passwords, multiple devices, and password generation. So to install one of these, you just go to the website. You can find it on Google. The first or second search result will usually be the right one. If you go beyond that, then you might find imposters, but typically if you Google it, it will come up in one of the advertised results at the top. But make sure that the site has HTTPS and not just HTTP. The S stands for secure. Make sure the web address is spelled correctly. Once you're sure you have the right site, you can download and install the software. On mobile, so Android, iPhone, iPad, whatever phone or tablet you're using, you can go on the App Store and just search for it. You don't have to worry about imposters because on the App Store or the Google Play Store, they only allow verified software.